flamingos come into this world with white feathers. The shrimp they eat transform them into a fiery pink. The more they eat, the healthier and pinker they become. The Old World name for these birds translates to phoenix, the bird reborn from fire.
This is Ferry. His ancestors, the Bajau, have called these seas home for centuries. Over generations, his people have lived a subaquatic life, adapting to their environment. For him, being underwater is as familiar as breathing air. This is his playground. He is part of this vast underwater world. Under the right conditions, corals can put on a kaleidoscopic light show. Every single one of these glowing polyps is a determined little creature. But all work together, sharing the energy they capture so that the entire reef thrives. Listen carefully. That's the sound of a busy morning on a coral reef. This turtle is a visitor to the coral reef. His kind have been traveling to waters like these for over 100 million years to rest and relax.
One of our oddest but best-loved creatures depends on Neptune grass meadows for its survival. With their equine heads, chameleon eyes, kangaroo-style pouches, and monkey-like prehensile tails, seahorses look like mythical beasts straight out of classical legend. Seahorses are actually very unusual species of fish. Their presence is closely linked to seagrass meadows, and like Neptune grass, they are among the treasures of the Mediterranean.
Groups of snow geese take individual routes all over North America. From the Gulf of Mexico to breeding grounds in the Arctic. They are guided by natural landmarks, like the Mississippi River. One giant winding road pointing the way home.
Trees exist on their own time scale. These California redwoods are over 2,000 years old. Descended from an ancient forest which covered the entire coast millions of years ago, long before we were here. As we walk among trees, we open up to them with all our senses. Our heart rate slows. Blood pressure falls. Trees naturally call upon us to slow down, to stop and listen, to be in the moment.